Welcome to A2ZKnowledge.com. So today we are going to discuss about a topic called upsert in databases. So in databases, either it is RDBMS or modern NoSQL database, upsert is a widely used terminology, and few people started asking me what is called upsert. So I just wanted to explain you that. So in simple, if I want to say insert plus update is called upsert. Okay. So this is a definition. So we know, right, how to do an insert. There is a commands to do that, and there is a command for update. And combination of these two, one at a time, is called an upsert. And there is no command called upsert. Okay, so it's a process name. When you do these two at a time, it's called upsert. Let me explain you by giving an example. See, you have a table. And the table has 1, Gautam as a first record. Okay. So here I'm sending a record for this table. Okay. So I'm sending 1, Kumar. So here the serial number is the primary key. Okay, PK. So what is mean by primary key? So when you insert a record with the same primary key, you will be getting an error saying that duplicates are not allowed, right? Fine. So now I am sending a record 1, Kumar, and that means there will be an error. I am not able to, I couldn't insert it because they have same, means unique. It's not a condition, right? So in primary key, the values needs to be unique, right? So that means what is happening here? So 1, Gautam is a user who created an account long back and that got inserted here. Now the same user Gautam has to update his name to Kumar. So he is trying to update his name in the UI as from Gautam to Kumar. So I am getting a record saying that 1, Kumar. That means this record is an update. This is not an insert. So what I have to do? I have to take the record. I have to update this record here. So it should not come as a new record. So it should not come like this. So this record should remove this Gautam and replace with Kumar. This is correct. Now there is another record 2, Saravana. Okay, so here this 2 is not present in my base table, right? There is no key called 2, and that means this is not an update, this is an insert, right? So 2, Saravana. So that means you have millions and millions of rows coming to your table. You cannot manually sit and check these things, whether I have to do an insert or update. So we have to write some conditions. Okay, for example, I am writing a condition if key, the primary key, matches, it's a pseudocode, okay, matches, it's update, else insert. So I will be preparing this SQL or whatever it is. Even you can connect this RDBMS with your RDBMS or NoSQL, whatever, you can connect through the programming API through some JDBC connectivity or something like that, and you can do it in Python, Java also, but also you can do with the SQL or whatever the query language that the DB support. You can do just like this as well. So I'm preparing this SQL or whatever. I'm thinking, just think about this is an RDBMS. I'm preparing an SQL. So when I execute this, it's called upsert. So I'm doing an insert and update at the same time based on checking the keys, right? So this is called an upsert. Now I can give you one more example. Some modern NoSQL databases are having this upsert as an inbuilt concept. So you don't want to struggle a lot to do these kind of functionalities. For example, if you take HBase is a database. It's called a NoSQL database in big data. It comes under Hadoop. So this HBase has the functionality called upserts. It's widely used for upserts and lookups for these two purposes. But fine, how HBase is doing the upsert? So HBase itself has the functionality to check whether the keys, the incoming keys and the keys that present in the table are same. It will do an update. So you don't want to worry about just doing an update. You just do an insert. You just do an insert. That is all fine. So just you can do all data as an insert. So HBase itself will take care. It will check the keys are matching, then it will do update, else it will insert. So in RDBMS we don't have that as an inbuilt function. As a developer, I have to take care to check whether the keys are matching, then update, else insert. This is my job. But in the database which I told you, like HBase has its own functionality to handle the upserts actually. So people have asked me the question of what exactly the upsert, or we do have any command called upsert. So for that only I just made this video. So thanks for watching A2ZKnowledge.com. If you really like my video, please subscribe my channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. And we do a lot of tech videos in 2 languages, English and Tamil. And I have given my LinkedIn and Instagram URL in the description box if you want to comment or follow me or to contact with me, you can do that. So thanks for watching A2Zknowledge.com.